Adam with Ceramic Pro. We're here at the Electrify Expo in Irvine, California. The Electrify Expo is proving that the future really is now for electrification of automobiles. When we go in, you're going to see EV cars that are available now, as well as concept cars that are coming in the future to a city near you. Ceramic Pro has always been on the cutting edge of automotive car care, and we're here to help educate new, existing, and future EV owners on how to properly care for their car and protect it for years to come. Let's check out what's going on inside. So we're at the Hyundai booth, and I just got the walkthrough of the new concept car pre-production Ioniq 5. The rear tailgate has these really cool lights, has a really futuristic back end. Simple things like having a magnet system to leave notes for you to be able to drive. And if you can see in there, the screens are a lot different than anything I've ever seen before. I literally just saw the inside of a Jeep Wrangler that I have to show you guys. Let's go check it out. So before today, I didn't even know that there was such a thing as a Jeep Wrangler 4xe. But here we are with one of the most iconic vehicles of all time and one of the most fully capable off-road vehicles of all time that can actually drive in fully electric mode for 25 miles. So it will drive in fully electric mode, gas mode, or hybrid mode. Check out this Rubicon. You'll be seeing this thing driving down the street in fully electric mode, as well as conquering the mountains, and it will all start with being plugged in at your house. Right now, we're gonna go check out the most beautiful booth at the Electrify Expo, the Polestar booth. You're gonna be impressed. Come check it out. So I'm standing in front of the Polestar booth, and these guys are making an impression, not only on the Electrify Expo, but in the electric car world in general. These guys are really gearing up to be a major player in the EV market for the everyday driver. So I love this particular spec of the Polestar 2 because it has the Brembo brakes. You can see it just adds a really cool accent, as well as giving it obviously better street performance. And then this one has sort of a Brembo matching accents. But don't look too much in the interior because I'm going to walk you through that entirely when we go to the Ceramic Pro booth. So fun fact about Polestar is they're actually owned by Volvo. They stepped out away from Volvo to be a pure EV company. But as somebody who was just in the car buying market, I learned a lot about Volvos too. They have an amazing plug-in hybrid line that they're really driving towards. Let's go check out some of those models that they have here. So I'm here at the Volvo booth, and they're showing off right here the brand new XC40 Recharge. This car is available in a plug-in hybrid or in a true electric, and that's what we're seeing here. So plug it in and drive. We're here at the most exciting booth at the Electrify Expo, in my opinion, the Ceramic Pro booth. We're here educating all of these EV owners and future EV owners about what Ceramic Pro does, how it's going to protect their vehicles, make their cars cooler, and make it easier for them to maintain for years to come. KAVACA ceramic coated. It's a self-healing paint protection film that comes preloaded with a Ceramic Pro coating on top to ensure longevity, anti-yellowing, stain resistance, and extreme gloss and ease of cleaning. So we're wrapping up our experience here at the Electrify Expo in Irvine. I 100% recommend that you come check this out next year to learn all about the emerging EV market, and also to check out the Ceramic Pro booth, where we will be here to teach you how to protect your investment for many more years to come. Remember, the future is now. See you next year.